As you can see, the reverse osmosis is reducing the dissolved solids significantly here at stage 3.
Levels look perfectly stable.
Batch 742 confirmed on the manifest.
Securing it now on shelf 4.
Noted. Ambient temperature is stable.
The freshly dissolved sugar syrup travels through a network of pipes to the filtration presses, removing impurities to meet the golden standard.
Brix reading confirmed at 45.21. Logging the result now.
Okay, pH is stable at 2.5.
Check the flow rate on the western bank. It's slightly high.
Adjusting the pressure now, looks stable at 150 psi.
The precision-engineered machine blends the syrup and carbonated water in an exact ratio, constantly monitored by the technician on the HMI. After the coating is applied, the cans enter the curing oven to bake the lining onto the surface, ensuring product integrity.
We closely monitor the temperature profiles here to ensure microbial safety and extend the shelf life of the product.
The moisture removal seems complete. And the date codes are scanning perfectly.
Ensure that pallet is verified before wrapping. We need it on the next truck. Already on it. Finalizing the scan now.
See the stacking configuration here? We need this pallet secured on the far side before the next run.
Everything looks correct on the manifest. Just need your signature here.
All right, thanks.